โดยมีอุลนาวนุลปานันดำจงหาโมกันยังไงตุกมีราทยังทาราว second album จูอาราไลมีจุนนิทรูมาอัชวักจังไลตูมาอัลบั้มชุงอาจุนฟุงคัดฮีคริฟาลบูชุงอาอาซีอีอดังฟุงไทคัดจู praise and worship team นี่อันพอชมมีอาซีทุกวอร์บิกมีจูโดดนักซุงเตมีนี่อาซี around จูประเทศนี้เซตลุกอินดากันมาเฮอีเปใจอดูเตมีค่าอลังตารองอาซีIn the Tum Huajun, all platforms, YouTube, Spotify, Le Apple Music, the Bantukakan, Ngay Ko Ase Cang Lai, Atute in him pre-order Ko Ase Cang. Pre-order Nandu Siajun, praise and worship team, Le Facebook page Akan, Thong Tan Ko Asi. Kema Kangay Bantuk in, and Ngay Jo Lai to Zong Zum Nakangay, Nan Ngay Tigajun, Hazang Tampi, Nan the Lak Lai to Zong Zum Nakangay, Yang to Fanan Tekon Pet.
Hi everybody, we are so excited to announce that our second album, Thiang Thlarau, will be released on June 3rd. 11 of the songs were produced and written by our amazing praise and worship team, and we also incorporated a hymn as well as an English song in which we encourage all of our listeners to gain strength and be reminded of Christ's love. My personal favorite from this album is Mighty God. I feel like it's a song that can really unite all nations together. It will be available on all platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, as well as other platforms for all of our international listeners. We really hope that God can create wonders and touch as many hearts as He did with our previous album, Pehtlaih, and we are so excited to see what God has in plan for us with this new album.